Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be discussing about what are the different types of vitiligo. So before discussing that, let's just briefly talk about what is vitiligo. Vitiligo is a long-term skin disorder where pale white patches appear all over the body. The white patches appear due to the lack of melanin. Melanin is a pigment which gives color to our skin. This condition varies from person to person, and it usually starts off as a small white patch which gradually turns completely white. And in some people, they have some small white patches throughout their body, whereas in others, bigger patches combine to form large areas of white skin on their body. Now, let's just talk about the types of vitiligo. There are mainly two types of vitiligo: segmental vitiligo and non-segmental vitiligo. Also, in some rare cases, um, it is possible that your complete body turns white. So, there's absolutely no melanin in your body, which is universal or complete vitiligo. Like your body completely turns white. There's absolutely no melanin left in there. So, that is known as universal or complete vitiligo. Now let's just talk about non-segmental vitiligo. Non-segmental vitiligo is also known as bilateral vitiligo or generalized vitiligo. In this, white patches appear symmetrically on both parts of your body. So, like if I have white spot here, so I will also have a white spot here. It's symmetrical. White patches appear in symmetry. If I have a white spot here, I'm gonna be having a white spot here as well. So I have non-segmental vitiligo, that is symmetrical on both parts of my body. Why I don't have a white spot here? Because it's now treated. I used to have earlier white spot here as well, but now it has been treated, and this one hasn't gone yet. Also, in non-segmental vitiligo, the white patches can appear all throughout your body. These are commonly seen on elbows, on hands, on your face, on the opening part, like on the eyes, on the neck, on your legs. It can be anywhere, and it's most commonly seen in these areas. It is one of the most commonly found type of vitiligo. Like roughly 9 out of 10 people have this type of vitiligo, and yeah, that will be all about it. It's very common. In fact, I also have non-segmental vitiligo. Let's just talk about segmental vitiligo now. Segmental vitiligo, also known as localized vitiligo or uh, unilateral vitiligo, affects only one part of the body. So if this is the midline, it is gonna affect only the right part or the left part of the body. It's not gonna cross that midline. Okay, so and this is usually seen in children. Like roughly 3 out of 10 children affected with vitiligo have segmental vitiligo or unilateral vitiligo, which affects only one part of the body, either the left part or the right part. Yeah, and it's very common in children. Roughly, it's more commonly seen in children, we can say that. And yeah, that would be all about this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, you can post them down in the comment section below. Thank you.